Good day, Mr. War. I am Marcos Alido. I hope you're fine as well as your family. So I choose this report. I choose this project because it's been our concern in the company because some of the meal certificates being issued to our customers have errors, and most of the errors are on because of typographical error. And the purpose of this project is to eliminate, if not to at least minimize, these errors and to make it easy to accomplish and a user-friendly system that anyone could do it. So I start with the flow that the purchase order coming from this purchase order coming from the marketing department, and from marketing department is forwarded to quality control for testing. So testing is conducted by the quality control personnel and being witnessed by the customer. So with this formula that I have here, once you like for example the yield is lower than 412, it automatically signals it is failed, and it is a red flag. That means you have to do something about it. Okay, and also from here meal certificates will be created, like for example with the reference that we have of just clicking the reference testing reference, conduct the testing report, the results will automatically be presented, and you can see all the mechanical results will be displayed. All you have to do is print it and sign it, and all of these are based on the Philippine standard, that all of this testing must conform with this Philippine national standard. And for meal certificate we use drop down list, and of course the formula VLOOKUP to all the cells, so that once you have that's collected in a cell, it automatically shows all the data needed. And also a graph was also made to represent the results of the test. And all these, although it's much simpler, but it will really help a lot to the quality control in monitoring and preparing the meal certificates and also the test. If it's done religiously, definitely you will have a better results and more accurate. I hope this presentation will help, and it will be a continuous project for me. Definitely I will not stop here. I will continue to improve this until we have a much better system in our quality control, even in the deliveries. I hope this will help, and thank you so much for listening.